You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, this game name. If you want to learn names from the game itself that are confusing, I've got quite a lot for you at the end of these videos, so make sure to stay tuned. This is pronounced Minecraft, okay? It comes from the word mine, so it's not mean, Minecraft. Stress on the first syllable overall, Minecraft. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.